guys, welcome to the challenge you guys have been requesting upon a couple episodes. My intros are great. Welcome back! Alright, so we have the burping challenge today. So we have some soap water, we have some cranberry juice, and for a finale we have some kind of juice. We're not going to tell you what kind of juice, but all you know, it's the good juice. So, let's get started. So, round one, we're going to see if we can burp dry, no products. Then the next round, we're going to see if we can drink with the cranberry juice. If there's no reaction, we're going to move on to sparkling water, and if nothing else happens, and if nothing else happens, we're going to go into the special juice.
Okay, let's go.
Alright.
I'll go first.
Yeah.
Nope.
Alright.
Nope.
Nope. Alright, next round. Are you kidding me?
I did it.
Alright, so I guess it's just me then going on to the next round.
So, we are going to try cranberry juice.
Cranberry juice is so better out than in, I always say.
Nope.
No.
Yeah.
Damn it! Oh. Alright. That means I have to go into the sparkling juice.
Yeah, we're doing good.
Dude, why are you doing so good? Alright. So, your turn?
No. Yeah. I can do it.
Are you kidding me? I can't even do it with the sparkling water!
Oh my god.
Oh no! Alright.
What's next?
Alright. So, I'll get a special juice now. Do you want to go while I'm getting it?
Sure. We gotta make waffles.
Are you kidding me?
Yep.
Alright.
Onion juice.
Didn't work. Are you kidding? Alright. What's happening to us?
Oh no. Okay, good.
Alright, so it looks like I didn't pass the challenge. So now, you know, punishment time.
Punishments. Feel myself. I was only 9 years old. I loved Kingdom Hearts. I had all the merchandise. I prayed to them every day. I thanked them for the life I had. Goofy is love. Goofy is life.
You are a Garsh. You are a Garsh.
I knew they were just jealous of my devotion to Goofy. I called him a Donald. He slapped me. He told me to go to bed. I'm crying now. My face kinda hurts. And my keyblade is gone now. And now I feel warmth coming towards me. I feel something touch me. It's Goofy. My family came in, and he turned to them and said, "It's all Garsh now." He bestowed me the power of the Keyblade. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the bottom.
Thanks for watching our burping challenge. We really appreciate it. Please support us down on Facebook, Twitter, Patreon. We have all the links down below. So thank you guys for watching the video. I know it was kind of a goofy one, but we love burping for you guys. We love making videos, and peace.